You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying?
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
What it do, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do the do. How y'all doing? Y'all all right? Okay. We're gonna have a good makeup day today. Okay, come hell or high water, we're gonna have a good makeup day today, okay? We're not gonna chase waterfalls. We're gonna stick to the rivers that we're used to. Okay. Listen, I'm back again. I'm gonna be working with this palette again. Gonna do another look. I hope you guys don't mind. Okay. Whoop-de whoop shifty boop boop boop. And I'm gonna do another look with this because, like I said, as a YouTuber, as a beauty influencer, you see this stuff once, you never see it again. You see what I'm saying? And then you're stuck wondering, what am I supposed to do with it? Okay. And I'm not gonna lie to you, like this year I'm gonna chill on buying makeup. I mean, it depends. Like I'm gonna sit back and watch what comes out basically, but right now I'm not really eager to buy makeup. Even the other day I went shopping on Sephora and I literally only picked up skin products, you know, didn't pick up any eyeshadows or anything like that. This stuff I got from Beauty Bay. So yeah, like when it comes to palettes, I'm more into like indie brands, you know, like I prefer buying like, you know, Juvia's Place, Beauty Bay, stuff like that. Like the high-end eyeshadow palettes really don't do anything for me. Is it just me? Because they all look alike. And then I tell myself, I have these colors, so why am I gonna buy this palette? You get what I'm saying? Like, you get what I know it ain't, girl. Let's zoom in so we can get within, or let's get close, because we finna do the most. Okay, so first things first, I've already done my brows and I'm in here cleaning up under my brows, and I'm using the Mozambique foundation stick by Juvia's Place. Like I said, it acts as a concealer, but today I'm not going to be applying this all over my lid. I'm actually going to use their eyeshadow primer today. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have these things, use it. The color I'm going to be using is shade 2, which is this one, a little bit lighter. And I'm going to do a pink purple look today. Like, that's just the vibe for me right now. That's what I want to do. I really got to shake this up because I have not used this in ages, okay? Ages. So you know you have to shake it up because it settles. And then we're going to go in and apply this all over the lid as well as the lower lash line. This palette is a big palette to hold up, so I'm going to have it pop up on the screen somewhere, okay? But we're going to be using this palette again today. So what I'm going to be doing, I also apply some tape, okay? Because we're going to have a lot of fun with this look. It's going to be really artistic and, you know, all of that good stuff. So first I'm going to go into Bare Necessity. And with this, it's a matte shade. I am going to go ahead and set my brow bone area because we're not going to be doing a lot of blending today. I'm gonna just go ahead and set this and get this out of the way. The first color I'm going to go in is called Dragon Fruit. And with that, am I gonna place it all over the lid? Yeah, I'm gonna place it all over the lid, okay? All over the lid, and then we're gonna go in and blend it out slightly. Not a whole lot, just very slightly, okay? And we're gonna have some sharp edges today. That's why we're doing the tape, okay? We're gonna have some really dramatic but very beautiful looking eyes. Girl, let's go. Okay. Next up, I'm gonna take Tutu, and with Tutu, we're gonna do just a tiny bit of blending. But as you can tell, the shape is kind of straight and very elongated, and that's what we're gonna keep that. We're not gonna blow this out. We're just gonna keep it, you know, really nice and tight. And as you can tell, I left the inner corner naked, and that's because we're gonna apply some shimmer, so I want to leave that alone. Okay, Lego. Next up, I am going to take Drama Queen, which is a deep purple, and with that we're going to create like a liner effect with this. We're just going to keep it on the edge and keep it really nice and tight on the lower lash line, so we're not going to go crazy with this either, okay? So you just want to chill, relax, and let the wrist do the work, okay? Don't go crazy, all right? And we just a little touch, just a little kiss of darkness in there. Once again, we're going to go in with some flakes. So for this, I am going to put down my NYX glitter glue. Let me just put it on the brush first because, you know what, I'm not trying to mess up everything. Okay, and this is just going to really help your eyeshadow. Anything shimmery, metallic, flaky, it's going to stick, okay? So this is what you need in your life, all right? And we're going to place this on the inner area and just kind of pat it across. that pink. From the DANESSA MYRICKS palette, I'm gonna go into Paradise, which is this purpley shade, but I don't know if I can get it to show. Okay, so you see it shifts green to purple, like a magenta color. So I'm gonna be using that because I feel like it's gonna give me what I want. And today I'm gonna be trying out regular schmegler degular little swabby swab things, okay? What do you call these again? They used to come in like, you know when you buy makeup back in the day, you would always get this applicator, this sponge tip applicator, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. I got a bunch of them. I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and try this, because sometimes the silicone itself does not pick up the actual flakes or anything like that. You have to like really dig in there. Okay, and this is not working either. Let me get my silicone. It's not picking up anything at all. Also, I'm kind of done with this tape, so let's just take it. Ooh, look at that. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna use my silicone applicator. Okay, I lied. The silicone applicator definitely works best. Picks up a lot more. Can you see the flakes? Ooh. We're just going to... Oh my god, look at that. I wasn't ready. I'm never ready. Listen, this whole palette, I'm not ready. I'm not ready at all. Oh my goodness. I want to go in with another one. Let's use Heaven as well and put Heaven like in the center. Heaven is this one right here. So I'm just going to flip my applicator over and pick that up. Okay, I absolutely love that. I feel like when I'm done with everything, I'm going to go in with a gold color in there just to sharpen it up a little bit. And for my lower lash line, I feel like I want to do purple, because there's a purple in here that is just, everything is just, look, let's just keep going, okay? So I'm gonna do this now. So I'm gonna take Illicit, and Illicit is a black shade. And with this, I am going to start to just like push this into my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna blow it out with a matte purple, with the same matte purple from the palette. But first I'm gonna go in with the black, that way I don't have to do it again afterwards, because I'm not trying to mess up my makeup when I'm done with my face and all of that. Okay, so it's time for the face, and we're gonna breeze right through this segment, okay? Like, we're not gonna delay, we're not gonna dally. First, I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Water Cream Primer, not primer, moisturizer, because my face is feeling a little stiff, okay? We need to moisturize. And I'm gonna drench. As you can tell, I'm gonna use a lot, okay? I need some moisturizer right about now. Okay, absolutely love these lashes. Look how they made that look come alive. Like, are you kidding me? Anyways, for my primer, I am going to be using the Water Jelly Primer by Huda Beauty. And 2 pumps of this is good enough, because we're just going to focus this like right in the center of the face. Next up, I'm going to go in with my MAC Paint Pot. This is Painterly and Bric mixed together. I am aware that there is another shade out there that is very close to skin tone, but I like this because it color corrects at the same time. And I do need just a tad bit of color correcting around the mouth area, which is typical for most black women. Okay, so we're going to stick with this. Okay. Now, this next step is completely optional, but I do like the effect that it gives. And I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty powder in Cinnamon Bun to do this. And we're just going to kind of set the face a little bit. It really does help to absorb oil, especially if you're an oily person. Like, prime your face, do all your regular steps, and then just like set it. Set everything in place with this. And it does last a lot longer. Okay, going in with Coffee Bean, we are going to contour the face. Okay, we're gonna chisel before we go in with anything else. It's basically called underpainting. They have named it. Okay, that's what it's called. It's called underpainting. So we're gonna underpaint. Okay, we're gonna underpaint. I do like doing it before, because once you go in with your foundation and you blend everything into it, like, it looks a lot better compared to like doing it last, basically. And it does help to soften the whole entire situation. Like, it doesn't look too harsh, which is good because that's what I want. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Okay, we're gonna try the pro. I did like the foundation, but I was worried about the concealer. But today we're just gonna do things the regular way, and we're gonna try again. But we're not gonna be using the powders. The powders are just definitely not the right color. Someone did suggest that I mix them. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you have to watch my last video, the one before this. The Anastasia Beverly Hills powders, I got the wrong shades, and I didn't like how they performed at the same time. So But I definitely want to give these a try, which is the Luminous Foundation and the Magic Touch Concealer. So first I'm going to go in with the concealer and apply the concealer under my eyes, down the ridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, above my lip, and a little bit on my chin. And we're going to leave it alone. We're going to let it set. We're going to let it dry. And then it's going to be the last thing that we blend out. Okay, I mean, y'all already know this. I don't know why I'm sitting here repeating myself. At this point, I think I can just do these things on mute. Okay, so now that I have that, the next thing I'm going to go in with is the Luminous Foundation, not Luminous Matte, sorry. Okay, this is the Luminous Foundation. All right, I did like how it looked the last time, so I definitely want to give it a try again and set it with the powders that I like to see. You see what I'm saying? So that's what we're going to do. Whoop-de-whoop, shippity-boop, boop, boop. Okay. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the concealer. And for this portion of the video, I'm just going to let the music run a little bit. And we're just going to breeze right on through this. You see what I'm saying? I'm also going to speed it up. If it's too fast for you or you feel like it's just, you see what I'm saying? You have to understand I've been doing this for a long time. So I feel like I need to get through it quick, okay? And there are a lot of people who already know how to do their makeup, but we're still here because you guys really like the videos. So you can slow it down though. YouTube has a feature that you can actually slow down the video if it's going too fast for you. I just wanted to put that out there, okay? So let's go. Today for my liquid blush, I am going to be using Grace because I am going to be dabbling into that pink blush today, okay? To set my face, Kunafa Cinnamon Bun by HUDA, my baby. I will never neglect you again. No. And to set everything in place, I have my sponge right here and she's nice and damp. We're going to dip in and we're going to tap off because I have my piece of paper right here and we're going to set these under eyes. And now I am going to flip my sponge over and use the bat. And we're going to go into Cinnamon Bun and we're going to set the rest of the face. And I'm also patting this on top of the piece of paper. So before I move on to my blush, I want to finish up my eyes. I'm super excited. The makeup is looking good. We don't have any mishaps today. So I'm going to place some of the Kunafa powder right under my eyes. That way I don't mess up and I can just dust it away afterwards. Okay, going back into the bright palette, I'm going to go in with the matte purple and I'm going to kind of create like a little winged effect, like right on the corners here, just to kind of like, you know, carry that a little, just to do something a little funky. You get what I'm saying? Where's my mirror? Okay, now I need to look really good into the mirror for this. All right, almost like a butterfly effect basically. And I'm also going to do the same thing for the inner corner of my eye. Okay, with a small pencil brush, I'm going to take that same purple and on the very tip of the pencil, I'm going to start to kind of just blend that down just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. Okay, and from the DANESSA MYRICKS palette, I am going to go into this really deep, oh, is that shifting? It looks blue on camera, but it's actually like a true purple. Now this is a, you know, intense type of shimmer. I'm gonna put it in the center. Oh my goodness, look at this color. That is beautiful. I need to do another look with just that. That is gorgeous. Oh wow, look at that. Can you see that? Ooh. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust this away. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go back into that DANESSA MYRICKS palette. This is pretty, I like this. I like this. I'm gonna go back into this palette and let's go with Divinity. Divinity, I want the gold. I think the gold and purple, pinks, you know, like gold and blue. It goes together, so let's go with the gold. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Tan Bronzing. Look at these eyes, they're so pretty. I'm gonna use this palette and chisel dizzle. Okay. Okay, time to bronzify, catch papi eye. Okay, we back in the streets. Okay, we just have to. Okay, we have to go back to the street. What's going on here? Didn't I cover you up with foundation? Girl, whatever. It ain't that serious. Let it go. A little imperfection showing through. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, girl. We have to. Okay, we have to. We have to. Okay. Ooh, so excited. Oh, look at that. Girl, that's pretty. Okay, let's go in with the lighter shade. Oh, I like that. Okay, time to glow a little bit, just a little bit. We're gonna go in with Morning Star. This is by Melt Cosmetics, and we're literally just going to place this on the center of the face. I feel like, you know, with your nose looking just a little shiny, it wakes up the look, you know. If you want, you can put it out here and all of that good stuff, but I'm not going to because I'm oily. It's just not for me. Listen, the look is looking, okay? Yes. Love, 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 love. Ooh. So I'm gonna line my waterline. You guys know I rarely ever line my waterline. It's just a preference, but today I feel like we do need it because the eyes are saying so much. Let's complete it. Let's take it 100% there. You see what I'm saying? Like, not hold back. So this is NYX Cosmetics eyeliner, and this one is called Purple Blaze. It is a metallic purple, so I feel like it's gonna be perfect for in there. To rim my lips, I am in love with this look. To rim my lips, I am going to be using Coffee Bean. This is from the Coffee collection that Juvia's Place recently released. So I'm going to be using this to line my lips. Okay, so this is more so of like a grayish type of brown, and it's not the type of brown that I want. So I'm going to mix it with Toastie by Morphe. You see, it's going to soften it up, which is more what I want. Okay, that's a little bit better. Next up, I'm gonna go in with X by Melt Cosmetics. This smells like something I could eat. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with this gloss. This is also from the Coffee Shop collection, and this is called Cream de Cacao. So, our Cream de Cacao, Coco. Coco Loco, that's what is wrong with you. Okay. Hey guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I absolutely love this look. It is so fun, so playful, so dramatic. That DANESSA MYRICKS palette, I hear a lot of people complain about it, but all you need is the NYX glitter glue, and you just need to know how to apply it because it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the flakes, I love the shimmer. I want to do another look with that color that I placed on my lower lash line. So if you want to see that, give the video a thumbs up or put it down below, whatever, okay? Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. I read every single thing, even if I can't reply back, I read everything. You guys' comments motivate me. You guys are so uplifting, you know what I mean? One hand wash the other. You guys, you know, it's a family over here. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share the video because sharing is caring. And follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really, really soon.